Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add words to filter on the Tellonym application, meaning that tells which contain one of your added words won't be delivered to you. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the last button down below, and then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the safety section and tap on word filter. As you can see, you can add up to 10 words to this filter, so tap on this box down below, type in the word, and then click on the submit button. Add all of the words that you want to. The limit is 10 as I have mentioned before. If you want to delete any of the added words, just simply click on the X button next to it and it will be removed automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.